Zambia or Rwanda. That's African country, but over there the economic outlook is very nice. You will be having capital gains over there. You bought a land. When you sell the land, the price is going to be rising, and you will be earning in two ways: capital gains and normal gains. So in that case, my relationship with the bank will be more strengthened. I would be, you know, increasing my long-term partnership with my bank. So both parties are happy. Plus, forecasting advice. Banks can also provide you the forecasting advices as well. Right now, South African countries, they are undervalued. So South Africa is undervalued. You can purchase the land over there. Even though you do not start the operation over there, 2 years, the price is going to rise. You need to build up this 10 billion rand. I suggest you go and buy $5 billion worth of property over there, and after 3 years, if you need this, this 10 billion rand in 3 years, after 3 years the property will be worth of 10 billion. So you just buy a property over there and sell it after 3 years, you will be having this 10 billion rand. So they also provide you some financing advices, forecasting advices. So some banks may provide forecasts of the future state of foreign economies and future value of exchange rates as well. What will be the future exchange rate over there in 3 years? When you convert local currency into your home currency, then you will get more home currency. It's like that. Then foreign exchange quotations. Now we are going towards numerical part, and which is very important for you. So pay close attention. So foreign exchange rates are quoted in the form of bid and ask. And remember, bid and ask is always from dealer's perspective. What does it mean? It means it is not the buyer's perspective. If you want to buy, the rate is not on your perspective. It is given, if you see some kind of quotations, it is from seller's perspective. Okay, we'll see that. So at any given point in time, a bank's bid mean, you can just take the B, just giving you a hint. Bid mean buy. If you see a rate, bid and ask. In ask there is S mean sell. So who is buying? The buying rate with seller or dealer perspective. The seller wants to buy from you and seller want to sell to you. It's like that. Dealer's perspective mean this bid and ask. Bid means that dealer will buy from you. Sell means dealer will sell to you. So if I want to buy dollars, what rate would be given to me? Bid or ask? Leo?
Bid.
Sir, if you want to buy from a dealer,
Yeah.
it's ask.
Yes. Why? Because dealer will sell that currency to me. If I want to sell my dollar to a buyer, then dealer will buy it. So dealer will give me bid rate. Understand? So the bid quote is always less than ask. Why? Because buy price is always less than selling price, right? So that's why bid quote is always less than ask quote. So we are now diving into this foreign exchange jargons, foreign exchange language, the transaction language. So that's why it is very tricky, but in real sense, it's very easy. Bid quote means buying rate, ask quote means selling rate. The bid ask spread covers the banking cost of conducting foreign exchange transaction. Now my question is, so what will be the profit? Like sale minus cost is your profit. My question is, so ask minus bid, we call that spread.
Profit.
So this spread is profit? Answer is no. Why? Because that is just the difference, and banks has other costs as well. Employees costs, utility costs, rent cost, they also must be included, minus all other cost, all cost is equal to, then you will get some profit. Okay, so spread is not profit. Spread is just, you can say that the gross profit, you can say that. After that you will deduct some other expenses. So bid ask spread percentage is equal to, formula is ask minus bid divided by ask. Simple. It means new price minus old price divided by new price. This is just a percentage change. Right? So don't be just confused about this new words, new fancy words. In real sense, if you pay close attention, it's very easy. Sale price minus purchase price divided by ask price, by selling price, or bid ask spread is equal to ask minus bid divided by ask. Any question?
What's the point of knowing this spread? How will it help us?
In coming lectures, you will know that.
Okay.
So here, so this is our currency, British pound. This is the bid rate. This is the ask rate. If I ask you to calculate the bid ask spread, what does it mean? It means ask minus bid divided by ask. And answer is 5%. Right? So David.
Divided by what? By bid rate, right?
Ask
By ask rate, I mean.
new
Okay.
minus old divided by new. The formula is ask minus bid divided by ask, not bid, ask.
Okay.
So what does this 5% mean? Now your question was that why we are learning this 5%, right? So in the market, it is
Yes.
written in the market, the values of currencies are written at like this: bid, ask, and spread. Because the values are in, look at these values. How you know that what is the spread? You can say that spread is 5%. And here, which one is more expensive? This one is expensive or this one is expensive? It is more easy to just look at the spread. Which one is more expensive to you? 5.4% or 5%? Here it looks like $1.52 and here is $0.007. So in order to ease the calculation, it is written like this, so that you know that what is your target here. Okay, this person is giving me 5% spread. This person is giving me 5.4% spread. So I should go to 5% spread person because over there
Sir,
is lower. Yes.
can we basically say that these are the values of these currencies?
Not the values of this currency. These are the differences in buying and selling. Or you can say that
That's it.
it is,
Okay.
you can relate it to some kind of, that it is the saving, or it is my cost of conversion this currency.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So the difference in these bid and ask, you can say that this is some kind of commission that I'm paying. Okay, so you understand where this 5% came from and this is 5.4% came from? Simple. Ask minus bid divided by ask. Now, if you understand that, then calculate bid-ask spread. The bid-ask spread Utah Bank bid price for the Canadian dollar is, so
0.02.
1 Canadian dollar.
0.02.
Okay, we'll see.
No, not yes, 0.02.
Okay, so here 1 Canadian dollar is equal to 0.7938 dollar, right? And that is bid. Ask is equal to 1 Canadian dollar, 0.81 dollar. What is the formula? Ask minus bid. If question is silent regarding this percentage, even then you use percentage. Okay, because in normal convention, we say that bid-ask spread, it's always in percentage. Right? I think I have the answer here. .02 or 2%. Right? Okay, now my question is, if that is the Canadian dollar, okay, wait. Come on, why it's not working? Okay. Can you tell me which currency is more liquid currency?
The E1.
I'll be back in exactly 1 minute.
Euro. Why is that?
Because there is a lower spread.
Well done. Because there is lower spread, and lower spread means
Means maybe, I don't know, more stable.
volume transactions are higher. Which means more people want to buy and sell, interested in this euro rather than Canadian dollar, peso, and rupiah. And what is the most illiquid currency or less liquid currency?
Dollar.
Rupiah, 5%. Dollar is, no, dollar is not here. We have Canadian dollar, 2%. Euro.
No, I thought you asked it like in general. Sorry.
No, dollar is the most liquid, not illiquid or less liquid.
Okay.
I asked less liquid. In this scenario, it is rupiah because the bid-ask spread is higher. Okay, that is the same thing that we will discuss here. That we just talk about the liquidity stuff here. Okay, factors affecting the spread. First one, the order cost. The cost of processing orders, including clearing cost, the cost of recording transactions. Because if you open a foreign currency account, it is same like you are having a banking account